Let's make solve this Rubik. So first of all, what you have to do that first rule is white color substitute with purple, because white will not appear on this page, so we have substitute it with purple. First of all, what you have to do, there's no need to have the rule of our first step. So just to make the yellow on the top and white will automatically go on the side. So let's find the white on the just near to the blue. So we have to make it one, and third, and where is the last. So like this, we have the white on the four side, 1 2 3 4. So and the secondly, what we have to make it make this green on the side. So for example, we have done like this, the greenery, so to the center point. So we will make rotate to the white side, and the other we will have to similarly orange to orange, to the center point we will rotate it to the white, and similarly we will find the blue to the center piece of the blue, we'll rotate it to the white, and the last one is red and make it. So we have done this red, green, orange and the blue, so four pieces of white. And then we go to make all these white to the this side, all these uh, four pieces like this. We have done it, so we'll go for this. So rule is that we'll use the RU right and counter R and counter U. So let's do it. So this piece will go to this corner. So we'll use try to bring this piece to the top, to the where we have to fit this piece. We'll use R U counter R counter U. We have found done it, fit it here. Let's do another blue and orange plus the white, blue orange white. This is one we have just put on the side. We'll use again R U R R U, and again we have found it. So we'll go for last. Similarly we have done it. Then we will move to this side. For this we have the rule that if you go, we are changed this piece to this side, we have to use for the right hand rule. For example, U R U counter R counter U. So let's use U R U and counter R U. We'll move to the right side because we have to change the right piece. So R L U L and R. Let's do it for this side. What we have to do, this if we are to move this piece to this side, what use, and this you have to use this rule. So R counter R, L counter U, will move counter L and U, and R U and counter R. So we have fit it. So move for another this side. So this is again so we'll try to bring it to outside. So I'll move. We have to just do the R U bring it out here. So try to bring here. So R U R A. So we have just made it. So we'll move for this. R U counter R counter U. First we have to just move the foreign side. We have to move. So go R U R. We have not found. Again we will do. Again we will go. If you are not fitting this, we can change it. Front. We have just found three sides. We have to also find like these things. We can go this side or this side. We'll go this side. So we have found this one and we'll go for this one. You have to just make these are similar to this, and we'll go for one piece should match. So we have to use R. We will this rule R U counter R and sorry, for example this is first just R U R, R U R okay. R U R U first we have to R U R U R W. So we can go another side one more time. We have found it on the four side these. So we'll go for another that we have to find these pieces so that they can match to the all side. For example, one for anything we can go this formula U R counter U and L U R and U. So anything this we have not found yet. This piece actually matches fit here, so we have to keep it front. We again use this formula. So these are also got fitted, so we have just these two pieces to make it. So we'll go to keep it to match all. So first of all we have this rule to use U R U R. If you have to just move front to this side, again we use same formula U. We have done it. See that all sides have been got to their right places. So we have done it. Thank you.